Okay, we're having problems trying to import some quizzes from our testing space, which are quizzes and tests. This is a course we've created for homework. As you can see, our homework has successfully been brought in from our homework space that we have in a different course. We are finding that there are issues with getting the new homework from that same place to come in due to an error that pops up. So the first thing I need to show you is if I go to the question bank here, or the question bank categories, the error comes up and it references these categories right here. As you can see, there's 0 questions in there. However, when you open it up and you try to see what is in here, you can see there's no questions even in this window. But when I go to delete that category, it says there are 28 questions sitting inside of here that are old or hidden. We have no way of getting rid of these, but we feel like this is where the error is coming from and keeping us from being able to import our new questions from a different course. Another thing is it's in at least 2 locations. I can't delete this one either. It says I have 5 questions that are, some of them may be old, hidden questions, or random. But now if I go into the actual bank itself to see what is there, where it says show old questions, you don't see anything. Alright, so that's where we're having our first issue. Next, I need to take you into where we're going to actually get the questions from. We're trying to take stuff from our testing space course and bring them into this course. Teachers are experiencing this a lot too, where it reloads and you have to keep hitting reload until Moodle actually starts working. That's another issue on a different day. But as you can see, I want to bring in stuff now from homework space. I'm going to go like here. I'm going to go down to import. You see right here. And then if I click on import, I'm going to go to the testing space that I have. Testing space. And you're going to see there's our testing space that we're trying to get our stuff from. And then I continue. I am saying to not include the blocks. We don't need those. We don't need calendar events. And we don't need to include the groupings or groups along with each of these assignments. This has been working successful in all of our other courses when we do it this way. But then when I go next, I'm gonna deselect all these. This is chapter 2, so I only want the chapter 2 items. So I've deselected all my stuff that I don't want to bring, and then I'm gonna now select chapter 2, which is right here. We want to bring all these things over. We're not asking a lot. We're asking just for those very few assignments here. And then we hit next. It's going to ask us if we're ready to do so with what's green and not green. Our check marks, as you can see, are green. And then going on, perform the import. Another error. We're at Jefferson in the lunchroom of the staff. The server here is just incredibly bad. I hit back button, and then now it's going to go through perform import. I'll delete out the video here of what doesn't happen next here, which is the time it takes for this to happen. So to save some memory, I'll delete this out. As you can see, it gets close to 55%. We've been seeing it. If it stops here, it's not good. It typically has been showing us that it's going to time out if it gets stuck on 55%. It'll eventually get up to around 75% and then say I have an error. Alright, and then now you can see I have this error, and it's just wonderful. As you can see, I have this thing that says screenshot. I'll stretch the screen out so you can see the whole thing. It says I have a failed on find an error matching this BR this bit right here. I have no idea. We've looked around the database for this question. Can't find it. It's phantom, and we're having problems. So please help us as much as you can, and let us know what you find out. Thank you.